Welcome. Welcome to Driving Lesson 2. Today's topic is Beyond the Wheel, understanding your vehicle as a wellness tool. Wellness beyond the body. When we speak of wellness, our minds often go straight to the body, the mind, and the soul. We think of rest, nutrition, mental health, and spiritual balance, and rightly so. But there is one area we often overlook: the condition of our vehicles. Yet every day we entrust these machines with something priceless: our lives. They carry us, our children, our loved ones, from one place to another, and still we take them for granted. We assume they will start, we assume they will stop, we assume they will protect us, even when we have not protected them. Today, I invite you to expand your definition of wellness, to see vehicle care not just as maintenance, but as a form of self-care, community care, and life preservation. Because true wellness includes everything that carries us forward: body, mind, soul, and the vehicle we drive.